Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body after you eat an egg? The moment a boiled egg or raw egg comes close to the mouth, your internal organs, the brain, lungs, heart, stomach, and intestines begin to glow softly, preparing for a powerful dose of nutrients. It's as if the body already knows that something rich, dense, and nourishing is on the way. As soon as the egg is chewed and swallowed, we enter the warm, active environment of the stomach. Here, egg whites, yolk droplets, and protein fragments splash across the stomach lining, mixing with acidic digestive juices. Peristaltic waves begin their rhythmic motion, breaking the egg down into smaller and smaller particles. A warm vapor rises, the first sign of digestion truly coming to life. But the real transformation happens deeper inside, in the microscopic world of the small intestine. Millions of villi and microvilli stretch open like tiny glowing fingers, absorbing golden yellow nutrients from the egg. High-quality proteins, amino acids, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each particle travels into tiny blood vessels, and within seconds the entire bloodstream lights up with nutrient-rich energy. As the nutrients circulate, the effects unfold through the whole body. The brain brightens first. Choline from the yolk strengthens memory, focus, and neural communication. Every synapse sparks with clarity. Next, the muscles respond. Amino acids fuse into muscle fibers, repairing tiny damages and accelerating growth. Protein from the egg becomes raw material for strength. Deep inside the cellular world, damaged cells begin to repair. DNA strands shimmer with renewed stability. The body rebuilds itself, using egg nutrients as its construction force. The endocrine system glows softly. Hormones stabilize, glands function more efficiently, and energy pathways activate across the liver and muscles. Even the hair, skin, and nails benefit as biotin and proteins nourish them from within. The eyes absorb lutein and zeaxanthin, protecting the retina and sharpening vision. White blood cells regenerate, boosting immunity and giving the body a fresh defensive power. And as all of this happens, a warm wave of golden energy travels across the entire body, from the digestive system to the heart, lungs, and brain. This is the natural, balanced power of eggs, clean, efficient, and deeply nourishing. But not every response is positive. For some people, the body struggles to break down dense egg proteins. This causes digestive difficulty, with heavy, slow-moving mass stressing the stomach and intestines. Sulfur compounds inside eggs release gas, creating discomfort and bloating. In others, egg proteins trigger acne flare-ups, causing inflammation in the skin's sebaceous glands. The liver may store excess cholesterol from multiple egg yolks, leading to glowing yellow fat droplets accumulating in liver tissue. This can also place strain on the heart as cholesterol nears the coronary arteries. Salty egg preparations can cause a blood pressure spike, tightening the arteries and increasing pressure within them. The kidneys, too, feel the impact. Filtering excess protein creates small points of stress in the nephrons. And for those sensitive to heat, consuming eggs can cause body warmth to rise, creating a glowing red-orange heat effect through the entire body. So while eggs can repair cells, build muscle, improve the brain, strengthen immunity, and boost metabolism, they can also create digestive stress, skin issues, cholesterol buildup, and internal strain if consumed in excess. This is the complete internal journey of an egg, from digestion to transformation, from benefits to side effects. The silent science happening inside your body.